guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. Today we have another healthy grocery haul. I'm going to be sharing a little meal prep. I need to clean out my fridge. We're going to do all of that kind of stuff. So I just got back from Walmart and I actually grocery shopped this time. I didn't do grocery pickup. So I was able to kind of shop around and look for some different things that I wanted to try that was high protein, low carb, low calorie, all of that kind of stuff. So I've got all of this behind me to show you. And then we're gonna do, like I said, a little meal prep. I need to make some lunch. It is 1:15 and I am starving. So I am gonna make some grilled barbecue chicken, some roasted sweet potatoes, and have some broccoli. So I need to get all of this put away, share all of this with you, and then start cooking. So if you guys are new, make sure you subscribe. If you didn't see my last video, I am on a fitness journey since then. I have lost another pound. So I'm down 3 pounds. This is my 3rd week. I lost 3 pounds, 2 pounds in 1 week and 1 pound the next week. But still, you know, you can see it here better than the other video that I showed you. Because my shirt's a tight fitted shirt. So just some belly fat, you know? What are you gonna do? But I am working on this area, working on toning and tightening up. So I also have the worst non-flattering bra on that squishes my boobs down. So ignore that. But let's get to the grocery haul. All right, so we will start over here with all of the produce. I still have a decent amount of produce, so I got 2 bags of these sweet steamers. You can steam them right in the microwave, all together, or they're just good size sweet potatoes, so that's why I buy these, but I usually just roast them up. I got some raspberries, 2 pounds of strawberries, a bunch of grapes. These grapes from Walmart have been amazing the last time I got them. Some mini cucumbers, and I really should have got 2 of these. I don't know what I was thinking. Some lettuce. I got 3 packages of chicken. I'm going to cook one of them up right now for lunch and for dinner for us. I got some drinks. I have been having, and I'll show you, my fridge is a mess. The Polar Seltzer Raspberry Limoncello. These are absolutely delicious, but you can only get them in the big ones. I'm going to drink this now because if I don't drink it, I'm gonna pass out. But they didn't have the cans, so I got the limoncello in the LaCroix. I got these cherry lime, and they're in the tall cans. And then I got some mini Diet Cokes. Don't mind my stuff in the sink. Yogurt. I got Kevin these Oikos orange cream yogurts. He likes those. I've been having the Icelandic Provisions thick and creamy Skyer, I don't know how you say it, yogurt, but they only had 1. The other 2 were almost expired, and 1 was completely open and crushed. So I got this brand to try, Thor's Skyer, I don't know how you say it. Let me know down below if you know how to pronounce this. But also got the vanilla. Got some cheeses, cheese. I plan on making a flatbread pizza, so I got some fat-free cheese for myself, and then just some taco cheese for taco night. The kids have been liking this bread, and I like it too. It's only 40 calories, just light Italian bread. It's really good, so if I make a sandwich or anything like that, I got some light ranch to go in my wraps. I got some whipped cream cheese, 4 big bags of the organic steamable broccoli. I will eat 1 of these in a sitting. So good. I got some seasoned French fries, the rest of the cheese. I got these Quest chips. I tried one before. It was the taco one, and I didn't like it. So I got 1 small bag of each of these to see if I like them. So I got the nacho cheese and the ranch. So just to put on top of a salad or crush up or anything like that. I need to make some breakfast sandwiches. We are running low, so I have those. I got these for the kids. I go back to work next week. So I got these just to hide away, and if we're having a rushed morning, they can grab some of those. I usually have the coffee chip ones of these Yasso bars, but I wanted to try something new. So actually, let's put these in the freezer. We'll just shove them in there for now. And let's just put all the frozen stuff away real quickly before I forget and then have yucky melted stuff. This is the best broccoli. It's like $2 for a bag, and it's just delicious. All right, that's done. So the English muffins, like I said, for Kevin's breakfast sandwiches. I've been having these for breakfast wraps for myself or just for taco night. They're really good. I don't taste any difference. And they are really low carb. So got some honey ham to make for lunches, some mac and cheese for the kids. Some of these I thought would be good when I wanted a little sweet treat. For 3 of them is 170 calories, 3 grams of protein, so it's 1 gram of protein per one. And then whatever 20 divided by 3 is. So like 7 something. 7, 14. Yeah, like 7. I don't know. Is that terrible? I really can't help Austin with his 3rd grade math, if I'm being honest. But just something to have. I'll keep these in the fridge. Some taco sauce to go on our tacos. And I got some of these salad toppers. So some honey roasted pecans. These were really good. No high fructose corn syrup. All good ingredients. And pretty low carb. And then these I know are obviously really low carb as well and have protein and all of that in them, the parm crisps. So I thought these would just be good for on top of my salads. And then I got another case of pure protein. I need to get these at BJ's when we go and stock up. So I'm going to get all of this put away, and then I'm going to heat up the grill and make some barbecue chicken and sweet potatoes.
Want the good, want the bad, all the feelings. Want you happy and sad in between them. If there's one thing I truly believe in, ordinary love, ordinary love. I wanna oversleep in your shirt 'cause it's ours. Brush my teeth while you're taking a shower. If there's one thing I know, there is power in ordinary love, ordinary love. Don't you ever say you are not enough, baby, you're enough. So don't you be afraid and take a leap of faith. It doesn't have to be holy, holy. I'm not asking for a God, just as long as you show me some ordinary love. So kiss me in the night, tell me that you're mine. Don't need much to believe, doesn't have to be holy, holy. When it's ordinary love, ordinary love, ordinary love. Yeah, wanna fix, wanna heal where it's hurting. Gonna put out the fire where it's burning. I will be there with all of my being. Ordinary love, ordinary love. Yeah. Don't you ever say you are not enough, baby, you're enough. So don't you be afraid and take a leap of faith. It doesn't have to be holy, holy. I'm not asking for a God, just as long as you show me Sometimes when I'm thinking about us, before we got lost and we parted, back to back we would carry on and we'd do anything for what we started. But this time we could break. I'm running dry, everything's the same. We'll try tonight. This time we're not safe and sound, not safe and sound. Back we would carry on and we'd do anything for what we started. But this time we could break. I'm running dry, everything's the same. We'll try tonight. This time we're not safe and sound, not safe and sound. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? Yeah.
Strawberries drying. We have our grapes still soaking. The sweet potatoes, I just took it out because I made my plate for lunch. The grilled chicken, this smells amazing. And here is my plate for lunch. I have half a cup of sweet potatoes, a cup of broccoli, and 5 ounces, it was just under 5 ounces of grilled chicken. So let me show you the fridge. Don't mind on my dirty towels from cleaning, but look how much better. So neat and clean and organized. So much, much, much better. And now I feel better because it was gross. Just like the shelves, you know, they get dirty. And so that is done. I just need to wash my raspberries and then I'll put everything in mason jars. I found that keeps produce really, really well, mason jars. So I'll put the mason jars on that top shelf in the fridge and we are prepped and ready for the week. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed a healthy grocery haul, a little bit of healthy meal prep. I mean, I didn't really do too much prepping, but getting my lunch was the most important thing. So again, the grilled chicken, potatoes. I just used the frozen broccoli. I already had a bag that was open. But it's so, if you just are kind of prep a little bit, it's actually pretty easy to eat well. So that is it for this video. If you guys are new, make sure you subscribe because I'm gonna be doing lots of like weight loss content. I'm gonna be doing like day in the life, like my workouts in the morning, what I eat in a day, and all of that good stuff. So thank you again for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.